we started our Paris tour by Arc de Triomphe, which is one of the most famous monuments in Paris. This monument honors those who fought and died for France in the French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars. Beneath its vault lies the tomb of the unknown soldier from World War I.
There is the big building of the World Exhibition of 1900. You know, in the past, every 10-15 years in Europe, they organize a big fair, like a big exhibition.
Place de la Concorde is one of the major public squares in Paris. It is the largest square in the French capital. It was originally known for having been an execution site during the French Revolution.
On the roof of the opera, there is a green statue. This is God of Music, Apollo. Now look on your left. You see that big building? It's an hotel. It's written at the top, Grand Hotel, okay? Very rich Indian man, Lakshmi Mittal. In the year 2004, he organized the wedding of his daughter in Paris.
Paris Opera is the primary opera and ballet company of France. It mainly produces operas at its Modern Seat Theatre. As we all know, Paris is home to museums, and Louvre Museum is the world's largest art museum and a historic monument in Paris. We are now at Les Invalides, which used to be old hospital and retirement home for war veterans. These days, it is more of military museum that you can visit. Finally, we are at the epitome of love, the most visited place in the world, Eiffel Tower. It is the tallest structure in Paris. It is 324 meters tall. The tower has 3 levels for visitors. With restaurants on the first and second levels, it takes 328 stairs to the first floor and 674 stairs to climb the second floor if you don't want to take the elevator.
guys, where are we, babe?
We are on the second floor of the Eiffel Tower.
Okay, there are 3 floors on the Eiffel Tower. Third is closed right now due to overcrowd. Yes, third floor इन्होंने close कर दिया है अभी.
Yes.
क्योंकि बहुत crowdy है, बहुत crowdy.
There's so much of crowd at the moment.
Yes.
There are so many people visiting Eiffel Tower. There's so many people visiting Paris. So yes, we are on the second floor, and the view is just amazing.
And second floor ticket is €16 right now.
Yes, and
€16 per person.
€16 per person, and also they have maybe recently they have launched zip lining on the second floor of the Eiffel Tower, which is amazing, amazing, amazing. Everyone should try. We won't be trying it due to so much of wind, and I'm wearing a very short dress.
And again, yes, बहुत crowd है.
Yes, it's very much crowded.
You need to wait for a lot of time.
Yes. The Pont Alexander III is a deck arch bridge that spans the Seine River in Paris. The bridge is widely regarded as the most ornate, extravagant bridge in the city. Seine River cruise is a very popular way to see Paris, and one we always recommend to visitors to the city. These short river cruises allow you to take in many of the highlights of the city: the Louvre, the Eiffel Tower, the Musée d'Orsay, Notre Dame Cathedral. For tourists, the waterway mostly serves as a photo backdrop, but it is a lifeline for locals. Notre Dame de Paris means Lady of Paris. Notre Dame de Paris is a medieval Catholic cathedral. It is considered to be one of the finest examples of French Gothic architecture. In April 2019, a structure fire broke out beneath the roof of Notre Dame Cathedral. By the time it was extinguished, the building's spire collapsed and most of it has been destroyed, and its upper walls have been severely damaged.